fucking day when you come home from school or work, you struggle to work on your goal. Why is that? You don't know what to do. You're just searching like, I come home, I have exactly the goal. Well, I have 1.5 to do in my life, but I don't know how I do it. I come home, okay, so I think I should have like this videos and I should record videos and edit and this and this and that. Bro, the problem you have is that you don't know what you need to do. You need to plan your day 1 day before. So every night before you go to sleep, what I want you to do is take out a paper or a notepad or whatever the fuck you want and plan tomorrow. When are you going to do and what are you going to do and why are you going to do that? Why are you going to record a video? Because that's the most essential thing that will get me closer to being bigger on YouTube, closer to getting more clients and stuff like that. So you need to plan exactly what you're gonna do, record video, and why I'm gonna do that because it's more essential than replying to comments. And when are you going to do it? After this and after that, and then you can reply to comments later on. Stay hard and embrace the pain, motherfucker. Ciao!